Okay, so let's get into the schedule. So what I find is a lot of times you've got a large program and various different project streams want to have different methodologies. They want to use different tools. They want to, some want to be agile, some want to be waterfall, some want to be a hybrid of both. Some want to drive it off of the back of an Excel spreadsheet, or sometimes Microsoft Project for waterfall, or Jira for agile. So what this is really a high-level overview program, a program overview of the schedule. So each individual work stream can still use their own way of tracking, but these are the high-level milestones in tracking that we want to report at the highest level. So I've got this ability to import or export from Excel. And then I'm going to go into my Gantt side of things if we were doing waterfall. Again, like everything, I can do it by work stream, by sub work stream, by project, and so forth along the way. So pretty standard stuff. You know, I have my high level, my secondary level. I've got my start dates, my end dates, and my percent complete, so forth. And then if I want to, I can have a high-level Gantt chart, and then within this Gantt chart, I can go in and, again, just show certain projects. I can change my colors if I wanted to about the various different types of tasks. So in this case, I've got, the parent project is in this light cyan, the requirements green, design black, and so forth. I can select my from and to dates. I can navigate around back and forth. I can zoom in, zoom out, and so forth. So it gives you a high-level sort of overview from a Gantt perspective. But similarly, if you wanted to, you could also do some basic sprint planning here. You can go in, and if you wanted to have this in the form of an agile project, you could go in, do your user stories, acceptance criteria, estimates, remaining, and so forth. And then you would also have a high-level Kanban board. Like always, you do it on the project basis or the sprint name. Whoops, I'm going to take that out. And then you would just simply, like any Kanban board, you can just move it around from place to place. When you select it, you can get the individual details for each one of these things, put in any updates as you go, and then go along the way. So you have the ability to do the Kanban and the waterfall at the same time. But for very large programs, I would fully assume that people are using their own project tracking tools, and this is really kind of to raise it up to the level of the overall program so that you can keep track of high-level milestones along the way. That allows people to use the flexibility to use their own tools for their own individual projects, but the overall program has visibility throughout.